Hello everyone. Today I am going to share about a wonderful herb called giloy or guduchi. It is also known as amrita as it imparts longevity to an individual. Its scientific name is Tinosporia cardifolia. Now how would you identify it? Well, it's a climber and a shrub, a perennial shrub that you can find throughout the India with heart-shaped leaves which are bright green in color. And if you try to look at the stem or if you break it into two parts, you will see the concentric rings inside. So that's how you identify the immunity booster giloy around your surroundings. Also, to let you know, neem giloy is the best according to the Ayurveda text. That means if you find a giloy climber running on the neem tree, that's the bestest of all. Now, what are the parts used for the medicinal properties? Well, giloy is a plant in which the all parts can be used, but specifically stems and leaves are used, and most importantly stem because it has more alkaloidal content, which is a contributor for its medicinal properties. In Ayurveda, every herb works according to its attributes. Now, when I say attributes, it means it has different properties. It has its own ras that which pertains to its tastes, its gun which is quality, its virya which is potency, vipak. Vipak is the taste after the digestion, and its prabhav, that is therapeutic action. So if I talk about giloy, it is hot in potency. It is bitter and astringent in taste, but also sweet in nature, and it is Tridoshahar. Tridoshahar means that it pacifies all the three doshas. So that's why it can be used in children and in adults too. But yes, the dosage varies and the combination varies. I would here share the 5 specifically medicinal properties of giloy. The first one is giloy is antipyretic in nature. That means it brings down the fever. So if you look at all the Ayurvedic classical formulations or even the patent ones, you will find amrita as a main ingredient. This is because of its antipyretic action. Second is we call it as a immunomodulator, or the herb which enhances our immunity. It improves our defense system also due to increase in leukocytes. That's why it is always used in dengue fever and to bring upon the platelet count. Third is it works wonder in skin disease because it's a good antioxidant, and also it helps to remove inflammation from our body. Fourth, it can be used, rather not can, well, it is a drug of choice for the gouty and the rheumatoid arthritis. Lastly, it is good for your stomach ulcers also. Do let me know how was this informative post, and we'll share more. Thank you so much.